Hello kids, Sai Ram. I know all are enjoying with the online studies. Yes, na? I can see smiles on your face. Nice smile. Yes, all are enjoying. Okay. So now you all are not missing your friends. Missing your friends? Yes, na? Yes. Missing your teachers? No, you can see us. Yes? Okay. Now today in Max we are going to revise everything whatever we have studied so far. Okay, so children, can you all tell me what was the first topic we learned in Max? Yes, geometric shape. So shall we revise? Ready? Repeat after teacher. Yes, triangle, triangle, circle, circle, square, square, oval, oval, rectangle, rectangle. Okay. Children, tell me one object which is triangle in shape. Piece of cake. Excellent. Oval. Don't remember? Teacher had told you all. Sunday, oh yeah, Monday, रोज खाओ अंडे. Yes, egg. Circle, bangle, square, carom board, rectangle, television. That's very good. Excellent. See, all the shapes are smiling at y'all because y'all said the correct answer. Shall we go to next? Yes, repeat after teacher. Now these are another shapes. Cube, cube, cuboid, cuboid, sphere, sphere, cylinder, cylinder, cone, cone. Good. Now you are going to tell me any one object of cube shape. Tell me. Gift box. Very good. Spear. Spear. Watermelon. Cylinder. Bottle. Cone. Clown cap. Cuboid. Book. Very good. That's very good. Excellent, children. Okay. Now, children, we finish with the shapes. Now, look here. What is the shape of an eraser? Cuboid. Very good. Shape of an apple? Spear. Shape of a pencil? Cylinder. That's very good. Children, after geometric shape, what did we learn? Edges and corners of different shapes. Shall we revise? Very good. Now look here. This is a cuboid. A cuboid has how many edges? 12. Very good. A cuboid has how many corners? 8. Very good. Now this is cone. A cone has how many corners? 1. A cone has how many edge? 1. What is the edge called? Circular edge. Repeat. Circular edge. That's very good. Now this is a cell. A cell has how many edges? 2. And what are the edges? Circular edges. Circular edges. That's very good. Now it's a football. And football is what shape, children? Spear. Very good. To do a spear has corner or edges. Look properly. No. Very good. A spear has no edges, no corner. Very good. Kids, this was edges and corner. Revision of edges and corner. After edges and corner, what did we learn? I showed you all top, what it is called? Yes, surface. Top flat surfaces, curved surfaces, and down part bottom surfaces. Very good. Shall we start? Here we go. Yes, this is a cylinder. Now, cylinder has how many flat top surface? One. Good. Cylinder has how many flat bottom surface? One. Good, good. A cylinder has how many curved surface? One. That's very nice. Now, this is a cone. A cone has how many flat surface? One. Wow. A cone has how many curved surface? One. That's very good. Now, this is a spear. A spear has how many curved surface? Full one curved surface. That's very, 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 very good. Now, children, this is a cuboid. The cuboid has how many top flat surface? One. And side surfaces? Two. Good. Now a cuboid has how many bottom surface? Flat bottom surface? One. That's very good. Now we finish with the flat surface, bottom surface and side surface. After this, what did we learn, children? What I taught you all? New chapter. Which goes down, which rolls down. What it is called? Very nice, very nice. Sliding and rolling. Shall we start? Good. Here we go. Sliding and rolling. Kids, repeat after teacher. The object with flat surface slides. Repeat again. The object with flat surface slides. Repeat. The object with curved surface roll. Repeat. The object with curved surface roll. Very good. Shall we see? Now tell me, children. I'll show you pictures and you all are going to tell me whether they roll, they slide or they slide and roll. Are you all ready? This is a ball. So the ball rolls. Why? Because it has curved surface. Good. This is a wheel. So a wheel rolls and it has flat surface also. And slide. Very good. Good. Matchbox. Slide. Book. Good. Slide. Football. Roll. Good, children. Now, cell. Roll. Okay. Now, kids, you all understood everything. Geometric shapes, edges and corners, surfaces, and sliding and rolling. Okay. Now, before we start with the new session, new chapter, I would like to ask you some interesting question. Are you all ready? Okay. Children, when you go to school the first time in nursery or in junior KG. Okay. You'll directly start with writing letters A, B, C, D? No. Because you don't know to write. So what you'll do? First, how teacher teaches you? She starts with the strokes. Shall we see? Shall we see? Now look here. Here is the strokes. Look here children. What is this? What stroke is this? Can you all tell me? Yes. This is a standing line. And this sleeping line. This. See like that. It's a slanting line. Now look down. Can you all see some lines? What are these? See? Curve line. Curve line. This is also a curve line. This is a curve line. What is this? Zigzag line. Okay. Now children look here. Can you see this thread? Everybody look here properly. Yes. Now this thread I am stretching. So it became straight. A straight line. Okay. If I hold the thread like this, it becomes a standing line. Very good. If I hold the thread like this, it becomes a curve. Okay. So standing, sleeping and curve. That's very good. Now look here children. I'm going to teach you something interesting. Look here. Kids, this is a paper. Yes or no? A rectangular paper. Okay. Now teacher is going to fold this paper. Look here. Yes, I folded the paper. Okay. Now when I folded the paper, I got a line here when I opened it. See. Can you see the line? What line is this? A straight line. A straight line. Again I am folding the paper. Look here. See. Okay. Now I'll open the paper. Look here what line I got. Very good. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Now look here. Look here. Teacher is folding the paper like this. See, I folded like this. Now I opened. What line I got? Slanting line. Very good. So how many lines today we learned? Just tell me. Repeat. Straight line, sleeping line, curved line and straight line. So today in Fun with Lines in Max, we are going to learn what is the another name for straight line, sleeping line, standing line and curved line. Are you all ready? Shall we go? Here we go. Repeat after teacher. Vertical lines or standing lines. What is this line called? Vertical lines or standing lines. Repeat. This line is called vertical lines or standing lines. Now repeat after teacher. Vertical. 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 V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L. V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L. Vertical. Very good. This line is called horizontal or sleeping lines. Repeat after teacher. This line is called horizontal or sleeping line. Now what is sleeping line called as? Horizontal. Horizontal. Repeat after teacher. H-O-R-I-Z-O-N-T-A-L. Horizontal. Repeat. H-O-R-I-Z-O-N-T-A-L. Horizontal. Very good. Curved lines. Repeat. Curved lines. Curved lines. C-U-R-V-E-D. Curved. C-U-R-V-E-D. Curved. C-U-R-V-E-D. Curved. Good. That's very good. This line is called slanting line. What it is called? Slanting line. Repeat. Slanting line. Repeat after teacher now. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G. Slanting. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G. Slanting. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G. Slanting. Very good. Now children, now you all know all the lines. Shall we revise what are lines we learned today? Tell me. Sleeping line is called horizontal line. Standing line is called vertical line. Then curve line. And the last slanting line. Okay. Children, you like to do activity. Yes or no? Shall we start with the activity? It's a very interesting activity you all will love. Shall we start? Ready? Activity time. Yes. Can you all see these letters, children? Repeat the letters. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, children, you all will be thinking, teacher is going to teach us today ABCD alphabets. Yes? No. But we are going to learn lines on these alphabets. Are you all ready? Shall we go? Ready? 1, 2, 3. First letter is, yes, U. In U, what line you can see, children? U. Curve line. Very good. V. Slanting line. W. Very good. Slanting line. X. Slanting line. Y. Slanting line. And horizontal line. Z. Slanting line. Very good. Now here, children, the letters are, repeat, I, J, K, L. Very good. Now here in I, which line is there? What line is there? A straight line. So, horizontal line. J, curve and horizontal. K, horizontal, straight line. L, horizontal and vertical line. Very good. That's very good. Did you all enjoy the activity, kids? Yes? Okay. Now this, like this only, alphabets and numbers you can write in your book and you can enjoy by writing how many curved lines, how many straight lines, how many slant lines, how many vertical lines. You can write and you can play, you can enjoy. Okay. Now today we have learned with Max many things. Yes or no? Now you all are tired. So I'll make you all nice, active, and you will be very active after learning this. What is this? Can we see? It's tables. You all have learned tables in standard 1. We are going to just revise that table. And this is a table of 2. First, children, you all will hear what you will hear when teacher is repeating. Then teacher will ask you all to repeat. Then you all repeat after teacher. Ready? Table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. And 2 10s are 20. Shall we repeat? Ready? 1 2 3. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Repeat again. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. That's very good. Children, see in the description box, there is your worksheet. You can open that worksheet and you can note down in your book. You can practice in your book and practice the tables also. Children, did you enjoy the lesson today? Yes, very good. It was very fun. Yes, no? You all enjoyed? Everybody enjoyed? Okay. Now you all will practice at home. You will practice the lines at home. Take a thread in your hand. Take a paper in your hand and practice the line as teacher taught you all. Okay. Enjoy today. Sai Ram. Good day. See you. Bye.